Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and also concentrating on your studies as well. As I told you students, after Eid your exams will start, so you should watch your online videos related to the third term syllabus for the exams preparation. Okay students, now we will start our today's work. It's page number 42. In this worksheet that you can see on your screens as well as on your work packs, it has two parts. One part we are doing now and the second part you will do by yourself. Okay students, इसके टू पार्ट्स हैं वर्कशीट के. वन पार्ट मैं आपको करवा दूंगी और सेकंड पार्ट आपने खुद से करना है. Missing sound and letters. There are two parts of the worksheet that contains the uppercase letters and the other part contains the lowercase letter, capital ABC and small ABC. Okay. Now student, first of all we will reinforce our ABC rhymes. It will help us to solve the worksheet. Now students, it's our first line of the uppercase letters. You can see on your screens A, B, dash, D, E. It means we will write here the missing letter. It's very easy worksheet. There are uppercase alphabets. Some of them are missing, but we know the missing ones. We will write one missing place one by one. Okay. We will write all missing places. Okay students, now A, B, and what comes after B? C. A, B, C, D, E. Okay students, A, B, C, D, E. As we know about it, it's our drilling time. You must drill with me again and again. A, B, C, D, E. The next line contains F dash H dash J. There are two missing places as you know about it. What comes after F? G. What comes after F? G. Very good. F, G, H. What comes after H? I. What comes after H? I. Next one is J. F, G, H, I, J. F, G, H, I, J. F, G, H, I, J. The next line contains alphabets K, L, dash, N, O. K, L, dash, and O. What will comes in the missing place? K, L. What comes after L? M. What comes after L? M. K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. K, L, M, N, O. And the next line contains the alphabets P, P dash R dash T. What comes after P students? Anybody knows? P, Q. P, Q, R, S, T. 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 Okay, the next line contains alphabets U V dash X dash Z, U V W X Y Z, U V W X Y Z, U V W X Y Z. Okay students, this is page number 42 that you have done. We will have done the first part, and the second part contains the lowercase letters that you will have done or solved by yourself at your home. Okay students, it's a single page. You will write on this page. Allah Hafiz, take care.